The role of language in preserving culture. Why Urhobo matters. Language is more than just words. It's the heartbeat of a people, the bridge to our past, and the key to our future. Through our language, we preserve our history, stories of resilience, our proverbs filled with wisdom, and the songs that celebrate our identity. It's in the words we speak that our ancestors live on. But today, Urhobo faces a challenge. Fewer people are speaking it, especially the younger generation. And when a language fades, it takes with it centuries of culture, connection, and meaning. The good news, we have the power to change this by teaching our children, speaking it in our homes, and even using modern tools like apps and social media. We can keep Urhobo alive and thriving. Preserving our language isn't just about words. It's about identity. It's about ensuring that the Urhobo culture continues to inspire, connect, and thrive for generations to come. Because when we lose our language, we lose a part of ourselves. This is why Urhobo matters. Let's keep our culture alive, one word at a time. Urhobo Ado.